So as you see, we have this high glossy wood right here. It's pretty high gloss, and we're trying to paint over it. So there are multiple ways you can go about this. I'll share them with you, then I'll tell you how I went about this. Okay, so two ways you can go about this is, first, you can sand all of that down. The paint just adheres better to that when it's sanded. And also, that wood right there got some grooves on the wall. You can fill those grooves up with like a wood filler or something, stucco, smooth the entire surface out. So when you paint over it, people won't even know it had lines or grooves in the wood. Alright. Also, you can put like a thinner, a stripper or something to strip all the gloss and the finish on that wood. That's one way to go about it. And actually, that's the best way to go about it. We were trying to save some time in this project, so we didn't fill the grooves up. You see those grooves? We didn't fill them up, and we didn't sand it down. What we did was put 2 coats of primer. If you can see, this is the first coat of primer that we're starting to apply. So you want to put the coat of primer really nice on it. As you see, it's not quite even. This is the second coat of primer, and you can kind of see it looks a lot different, a lot better. And with this one now, you can see those white lines. We had to take a paintbrush and get in between those grooves because the grooves were hard to paint. Alright, so it's almost like a third coat almost, but we had to use and now what you see is the first layer of paint. So we put a first layer of paint over that. Okay, first layer of paint over the wood. You can kind of see the grooves a little bit if you look keenly. And then what we did, we went over it one more time with some paint. And this is the finished product here. You can't even tell. You see how glossy that is, but it's not even, it's really an eggshell paint. Alright. Well, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.